Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be making this pair of sawhorses. Check it out.
Okay, so I started by cutting a 15-degree angle on the bottom of this 2x4. This is going to be the angle that I cut all of my pieces at for the legs. There's no particular reason I chose 15, that's just what I did. So I cut them all to 34 inches long. I'm building these so that they will line up with my table saw, so that way I can cut big sheets of plywood. So I went ahead and cut 8 of these pieces. These are all going to be the legs for the sawhorses. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm cutting the supports that are going to go on either side of the 2x4s, the 2x4 legs. Again, these are cut at 15 degrees, and I just measured it so that it will line up with the top when the 2x4s are put together. Now here I'm cutting the top section to length. This is just made out of melamine. I just had a couple scraps, so I cut these up. This one I cut at 24 inches long. This other one here I ended up cutting at 25 inches. Here I'm ripping them down to 7 inches because that's the width of that's going to be the width of the top of the sawhorse. Went ahead and did it with both pieces. Here I'm screwing everything together. I'm drilling pilot holes first, and then I'm putting in wood screws. I just lined it up at the corner, screwed it into one 2x4, and then I lined up the other one, drilled holes, and then attached it. And I did this for both sides of the sawhorse. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm putting spacer blocks underneath of the legs so that I can attach the top of the sawhorse. Again, I just drilled some pilot holes and then screwed it down. Here I'm just attaching it to the other side, or the other set of legs. Okay, here I'm just attaching a support to the legs. What I did is I countersunk a hole into the 2x4 to allow for my screw to get all the way, or to get a good enough grip in the other piece. I didn't have long enough screws, so I just drilled the hole in the piece, as you'll see in a minute, and then I put a screw in. This way I can get a good solid grip with the screw and it won't come apart. Once these were attached, you just repeat for the other side, for the other sawhorse, and they're done.
I'm super happy with the way these came out. These are just a quick project to build. I built these in just a couple hours. These are going to be used with my table saw. I have a small table saw, and it's going to be nice to have some support. That way I can run the 4x8 sheets of plywood through my table saw and not have too much of a problem. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. Also, be sure to subscribe. That way you know whenever I put out a new video. I have a new project video every Friday. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions of what I should build next, please send those to me down below as well. Be sure to go follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Made by Brent. You can see what I'm working on. There are also some links down in the description of things that I use. If you are interested, please go check those out. It will really help support my channel. Also, be sure to go check out some of my other videos. I'll have my latest video right here and another one of my videos right here. Please go check both of those out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.